Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Maker Monday.
Hey guys, I'm Dustin Vines.
And welcome to the Jessamine County Public Library presentation, Introduction to Gmail, written by Anna Cruz, presented by Dustin Vines. Enduring Knowledge. Patrons will learn the basics for how to set up a personal Gmail account on a computer or on their phone. After setting up a Gmail account, patrons will become more proficient in sending or receiving emails. Skills and concepts. Create a Google account by signing up, create a Gmail account name, and set up your Google account for Gmail, add and edit contacts, and edit all your different mail settings. How to set up a Google Gmail account. Go to www.google.com and click on Create an Account. Create your Google account. Follow the directions by entering the information needed to sign up. You'll need to enter your first and last name, choose a username, create a password, and possibly add a mobile phone or a secondary email account in order to recover your email in case you forget your password. Verifying your phone number. Enter your phone number to verify your account. Google verification code. You will receive a text verification code. You'll have to enter this number onto your web browser in order to continue to create your account. Personal info. You'll then see a form to enter your personal information like your name and birth date. Privacy and terms. Review Google's terms of services and privacy policy. Then you'll click I agree. Congratulations! You've then created your Google account.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.